button, but Lisa and Queen Squad, press the notification button, ding bell, and a like button. And today we're coming back with a banger and get this video to 1,000 subscribers. And what are we going to be making today?
Well, we already made it. This is a caramel apple cream cheese ring. And what you use is you're going to take crescent rolls, apple pie filling cream cheese, and caramel. And we already did it in a ring. And what you're going to do is take the crescent roll, lay it around flat as a circle. Take your apples, spread it around. Beat your cream cheese. Make sure you use softened cream cheese. Beat it with vanilla extract and a little bit of sugar with your cream cheese. Spread it on top of the apples. Then you're going to take your caramel sauce. We have caramel sauce. We already prepped it. We did show a first video of how we did it. I accidentally cut it off. So we might post that one too. So this is how it's going to look. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees we're going to bake it for like 18 to 20 minutes. So again, go get your tablet and set the timer. Give me the tablet so I can set the timer.
I can't do that.
Well, I'll do it just while you stand here.
But it's charged.
So I'm going to put this in the oven. I put it on top of parchment paper.
Wait. You can't do that.
Oh, it's hot.
So how we made it was we put cream cheese into the mixer, and then we put like 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then when we spread, first we put into a ring. Then we spread apples on it, and then cream cheese on top like this.
So I set the timer to 18 minutes. So, because we don't want nothing burnt. So I set it for 18 minutes, and we're gonna let it bake for 350 degrees.
And
no, wait, what?
Give the camera to me.
Why?
So I can talk to them.
No, we're not gonna be long. So her teacher just texted, so I'm not gonna be on here long. And today was her last day of school, and she's now officially a 3rd grader. So we're gonna we have some more exciting videos coming up. We're gonna do some homemade ice cream for the next video. So we probably do that one tomorrow. So anything you want to say before I close out?
Well, we're going to show you how it tastes after we do this video.
Oh yes, we're gonna do a second video.
And I hope you enjoyed it. And we did a video how we made this. So that is what we're going to post. We're going to post how to make it, and we're going to post this video too. And bye. And we're going to show you how we make.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.